All right. Today we're making afang. Well, not like with all the condiments that you would expecting, but a couple of major important condiments. This morning I received this afang from a friend. So I'll be using this afang. It's already pounded. It was in the freezer and all of that. So I want to use this particular afang to. So this is what I got from the market. Let me show you guys the breakdown. We took about 10k, to go to the market and see what we can, get with that. So we have this pomo for, I think 1-2. Yes, this is like 600 naira pomo. We got this bangla fish for like 1k. This is pepper 500. We also got this is goat meat for 5k. Well, I tell the guy before I buy them. And my wife now follow help me fight the battle. So let me show you guys. This is a good buy. There's that. And then we bought water leaf 2k. So this is water leaf 2k because you need a lot of water leaf. Not the thing will just mix inside the pot and all that soil you'll be left with. Just more. The afang is still a lot, so which is why I had to get about water leaf 2k. This is roughly afang, say 4,000 or 3,000 naira. So let's say if you had a budget of 20k or let's say 15k, you cook a very good pot of afang soup. Yeah, in this economy right now, but they should do. So let's start preparing the things bit by bit. Okay. So
bring the pepper now.
I'm done pepper already. Alright, so this is what I can count. About I think 12. 1, 2, 3. That's what 5k meat can do. Goat meat. 4, 5, 6. I think okay, yeah, 7, 8, 9. It's not 10. Trying it was 12 I counted. There about. Then you have this soup pomo, So we have this. Let's season you. I like fresh pepper. What's wrong with this light? I like fresh pepper. I use fresh pepper a lot, 100%. Yeah, we've washed the pomo already, you understand? So, we'll chop the pomo. I beg, if you know my house, no come. This food not for me and my wife only. You understand? I don't get double mouth wherever you feed me. So yeah, basically the concept is you don't have a lot of money to spend, because me I like to, if I want to cook food, you understand, if I want to cook soup especially, I like to make it get all the condiments. Like now I'm not buying fee, which is periwinkle. I'm not buy what that is thing called? Oporoko, which is stockfish. Oh, it looks good. I'm a bit skeptical about the pot size. I want to use a bigger pot, but I don't know. Let's switch. So normally this is what I do first. I steam the water leaf first. I mean, there are different techniques you could choose to cook afang. It's just your choice. For me, I prefer going with this first. Why? Is because I want the water leaf to not taste, why do I feel that this pot is still tiny? I use the bigger pot. But the whole idea is first steam the water leaf, so the water leaf is doesn't feel directly fresh inside the pot. The only thing you need really to be fresh is the what's that brother called? Afang. So the idea is, this is what happens once you steam the water leaf. It starts bringing out all its water, you get. So you just allow it steam for a while. It's been, I think, about a minute plus or two thereabout. So allow it steam its water out, and okay. And so that's like a lot of water, that does not matter, because we'll need that water by the time what's this thing called, by the time Afang goes in, we'll need all that water. So we're going with pepper. I like a lot of pepper, and I'm still going with some more later on, so let's stop for here. And we're going with our seasoning cubes. I'm supposed to steam the water for it to just get a bit dry, but I still need that water in the near future. Start going in with your proteins. I already have the meat and the pomo inside it, so I love crayfish in food, so we'll put like, but when she sees this video, she's going to be like, don't finish our crayfish. But oh yeah, I saw something. Crayfish has what do you call it? Crayfish can give you this very rich feel of what you're looking for. It has this very interesting taste. It gives your food your meal. My elder sister taught me something, not to always use Maggi, because I say Maggi is salt, but so I use just a little of it, because the thing is, by the time you put salt, everything, by the time you bring down the pot of food, it starts having that feel, So this is where you stir up everything. I have palm oil coming up very soon, so I'll be turning palm oil in here before I now put the Afang, because the idea is that palm oil has to open up a bit. Afang is like the last thing you put. See all this water, don't worry. By the time you put the Afang inside, it's going to just disappear. You'll be asking for water to put inside the soup. So you have all of this. Our soup is almost done, it's almost ready. Oh yes, Afang needs a lot of oil. Trust me, by the time that oil or that Afang comes on this guy, you'll be asking where the whole thing is. Afang is like a foam that sucks water when you're trying to mop. And then we're going. I won't lie, I didn't actually have plans to eat Afang today. Only God has plans. I asked God for provision and God just did this. Like it's very interesting how God works in miraculous ways. Trust me. Learn to depend on Him. I'm still learning that, because they talk this thing, so it'll be like magic to my ears, but Nigga just knows how to just suck everything off. I was very careful about the quantity of, that's why I didn't even put water. This was just water from the water leaf directly. I like the looks already. What I should be doing now is to, just add a bit of oil, just a bit. It's already, I need to taste this guy to know. fresh and nice. So I don't need to allow it, stay for too long. And voila, our soup is ready. We have tasted it and everything feels good, So yeah, put it on very low heat, let it keep steaming. We're good to go. Damn, this looks fresh. I'm good to go.